Hey all, welcome back to My Happy Umbrella, and today's video is about August favorites. So guys, August is almost ended and I don't know in quarantine how the days are passing. For us, this whole quarantine thing started in March, so almost 5 months are over and I don't know how many months it will take to get normal again. But there's nothing in our hands except taking precautions, and I hope all of you are doing the same to be safe. So this video is about August favorites, and if you haven't watched my earlier favorite videos, the playlist is linked here and in the description box. You can watch it anytime. I'm gonna add link of all the products I'm going to mention in this video. These links can be of India or USA or both, depends in which country these products are available. So let's get started. So for this month, favorite makeup product is Clinique Cheek Pop Blush in shade 13 Rosy Pop. Now, can we take a minute and appreciate the beauty of this blush? I mean, the packaging is so pretty. I love this blush, perfect for my complexion, and the pigmentation is very good. I stick to the basics when it comes to makeup, and this one is a great addition to my makeup bag because it goes with all the dresses with cool tones. It is available in both in India and USA, and the links are in the description box. For skincare category, this month favorite is St. Ives Acne Control Apricot Scrub. Due to COVID, I'm ordering all my skincare from Target or Walmart pickups only. And when my Kama Ayurveda scrub is over, I decided to try this one. So this one doesn't feel as earthy as Kama face scrub, but all over results are good. It has salicylic acid in it and it is paraben free with 100% natural exfoliants. So if you are in need of a face scrub, you can try this range according to your skin type. For hair care category, I got Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, and it's a moisturizing curl activator cream. So my hair is naturally curly wavy type, and this one makes them more curly, but most importantly fizz free curly. This one makes your hair super shiny, and also it's sulfates, silicons, parabens or mineral oil free. So if you have curly hair, give it a try. I'm sure you will like it. So for this month, my favorite accessory is this key necklace. I got this key necklace in my FabFitFun summer box. My style of jewelry is simple and light, and this one suits the best. It has a small key on which Believe is written, and I think it's perfect for daily wear. Another favorite is this OPI nail paint in shade Not So Bora Bora Ink Pink. Why I'm sharing a nail paint? Because I think in this whole pandemic situation, it's difficult for us to go to a shop and try those nail paint shades. So I thought it would be good if I share it so that you guys can order it if you like it. I love this shade for summer and it goes perfect on brown skin. It's available in India and USA both, and the links are in the description box. For this month, my favorite gadget is this, my iWatch, that is Apple Series 5. I have ignored the hype of Apple Watch for so long because I was quite happy with my Fitbit. But recently, a very dear friend of mine told me that we could share each other's activity on this watch, and that interested me to buy this, thinking that it may have better features for fitness and all. But I didn't know it has so many features which helps me in day-to-day life, like setting an alarm or a timer, checking the weather before I go out, and most importantly, it finds my phone. So I think it's a must-have gadget for every mom out there. Get it and make your life easy. In favorite movies of this month, the first one is Raat Akeli Hai. It's on Hindi and on Netflix, and I think Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Radhika Apte done a very good job in this one. It's a crime drama movie and a must watch. Next one is Shakuntala Devi on Amazon Prime. I adore Vidya Balan and I have read books of Shakuntala Devi, so I got 2 reasons to get interest in this movie. It's a very nice movie. Watch it, you will surely amazed by knowing some facts of her life. Third one is Possession on Amazon Prime. Me and my husband love horror movies and we are always in search of good horror movies. Both of us like this very much. If you are a horror movie buff, do watch it. Next one is The Lost Husband on Netflix. This one is a slow, sweet, romantic movie with country vibes. Once in a month, I crave for these kind of mushy movies which are simple and pleasing to heart. So if you love this genre, do watch this. It's a good one. In series section, I have got only 2 this month, and the first one is Jeffrey Epstein, Filthy Rich on Netflix. This one was scary, disturbing, because it is based on a rich sex offender and child abuse. But I think we should watch these kind of stuff to know what is going around us, how these kind of people work and operate. This series was actually shocking, because after that only I started discovering the whole situation of pedophiles in USA or in the whole world, and that is quite scary. Second one is Unsolved Mysteries on Netflix. This one is based on the unsolved murder cases or missing cases which are still open. Quite interesting series. Watch it if you like to watch content which is based on real life situations. Next favorite for this month is a YouTube channel, that is Heber's Kitchen. So due to COVID, we have totally stopped eating outside food, so everything is cooking in our very own kitchen. Well, there are many channels and Pinterest boards from which I refer recipes, but most of the time it's Heber's Kitchen. And I can say that not a single recipe of that channel goes wrong. So if you need some help in your kitchen, watch this channel. Last but not the least, these cloth masks from Old Navy. I got a pack of 10 adult masks and pack of 3 kids masks from Old Navy last month. The size is good, the price is good, and it comes in so many prints and colors. What else you need in COVID except a matching mask for your outfit? It's sad, but reality. What to do? So that's it. Those are my August favorites and I hope you like this video. Please comment below your favorites so that I could also get to know about some new stuff. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and family. Make sure to press the bell icon. It will notify you every time I post a new video. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.